ColdFusion 9 now comes with 64-bit edition available in standard. This is a good thing because we can take advantage of more memory in the JVM. With more and more people moving to Windows Server 2008, I thought I'd do a quick walkthrough of how to get ColdFusion 9 running on Windows 2008 64-bit behind IIS 7.5. Just to show that I am running 64-bit, we'll have a look at the properties. And we can see I'm running a 64-bit operating system. I've downloaded ColdFusion 9 64-bit, and this is a brand new install of Windows Server 2008 with nothing extra added. So the first thing to do is install IIS 7. So Control Panel, turn Windows features on or off, and we'll go Add Roles, and we want the Windows Web Server IIS. Next. There's a couple of little bits that we need. We need the ISAPI extensions, the ISAPI filters, and under IS6 management capability, we want the IS6 metabase compatibility. And click Next, and we'll install that. I'll pause the video at this point and resume once it picks up. Okay, once that's finished, we should have IIS 7.5 running and ready for ColdFusion 9. So we'll close that, and we can close the server manager, close this, just to make sure IIS is running. And we can see that IIS is running. I've already downloaded ColdFusion 9 standard 64-bit, so we'll run that. I'll pause the install the video again. Okay, once that comes up, we get to the install of ColdFusion 9, and we can just run through this. I'm just going to install standard single instance. I don't want those, it'll just make the install quicker. And I'm happy with the default install. And I do want this to run behind all IIS 7 websites. And yep, that's fine. This is where the CFIDE files will go. Okay, just a quick review. And I'll pause the video again until this completes. And once the install is complete, we can launch Configuration Wizard to finish off the rest of the install, and hopefully that will work. And it's good, looks like it's all worked, so we'll just put in the password to finish off the install. While it's finishing off that bit, we can open a new tab. And we still see we got the IIS 7 default page there, so I'm going to remove that. So we don't need any of that. Then I'm going to create index.cfm, and with CF9 we get cfdump within script, so I'll just dump out some server information. Save that, close that out. Okay, so the CF9 install is complete, so we can log into our administrator section and just have a quick review of the settings. So we can see that it's Windows Server 2008, it's ColdFusion 9, and it's 64-bit. our local host now. If I reload this, we should get a dump of the server information. I accidentally pressed something that stopped the video there. So where I was at was, if we just reload that index.cfm, we'll see this dump of the server information, and we can see that it's ColdFusion 9, and it's Windows Server 2008, and it's a 64-bit architecture. Also with ColdFusion 9, they have fixed some of the problems with the web server configuration tool. Sometimes there were some issues trying to use that to connect IIS 7 or 7.5 to ColdFusion 8. With 9, that it actually works properly. So if you mess something up, or you install it standalone and then you want to run the web server configuration tool to connect it in, that actually works with ColdFusion 9. I think that's a good thing. So yeah, there you have it. ColdFusion 9, 64-bit, running on Windows 2008 64-bit standard edition.